Before we get started with today's video, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. It's free, and it really helps us out. Have you ever heard of cloves? If not, you're in luck. We decided to teach you a very easy recipe to reap all the benefits that clove has to offer. With clove water, it is possible to lose weight, improve digestion, relax muscles, alleviate coughing and eliminate mucus, besides alleviating allergies. Do you want to learn how to make clove water? In a bowl or bottle, put a handful of cloves in some water and let it soak during the night. In the morning, it's recommended to take 3 or 4 tablespoons of clove water before breakfast on an empty stomach. Don't exceed more than 5 tablespoons. The rest of the clove water can be stored in the fridge for no more than a week. For the best results, it's best to drink clove water every day for a month. According to studies, clove is known for eliminating parasites from the body, and drinking clove water every day will strengthen your immune system. Nose, ears, and throat all absorb the protective properties of clove, and help avoid colds and flu, since these tissues are our first line of defense. According to Yogi Bhajan, author of this recipe, consuming clove water during the beginning of spring will make you healthier. But keep this in mind, clove is contraindicated for pregnant women, nursing women, and children under 6 years. It is also not recommended in cases of gastritis or ulcers. This spice can irritate the skin and digestive mucosa of more sensitive people, and thus, it must be used with the recommendation of a health professional. Clove has a substance called eugenol, which slows down blood clotting. That's why you should not drink clove tea, or its dried extract, 2 weeks before a scheduled surgery. Did you know the benefits of this recipe? Did you like the info we gave you? If so, subscribe to our channel. We provide daily natural health tips.